Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to factory reset your HyperX Cloud 3 wireless headset and fix some of the common issues in 2026. So first of all, HyperX Cloud 3 wireless does not have a dedicated factory reset button, but you can certainly perform a manual reset to restore it. For that, first of all, you just have to look for the power button here on top of your headset. Afterwards, you just have to press and hold the power button until the headset turns off completely. Just make sure that there is no LED light active. Afterwards, simply again press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This also clears the temporary glitches and reset the headset system. Now unplug the USB wireless dongle from your PC or console, then wait for further 30 to 60 seconds, and then after this time duration, plug it back in. Afterwards, simply again turn the headset on. If needed, you can again press the power button to enter into the pairing mode. Wait for it to reconnect to the dongle automatically. Then simply open your Hyper Ingenuity application. You need to check for the firmware updates here. If you are able to find them, simply install them. Finally, test your headset's audio and microphone. Just make sure that everything is working properly after this reset. So you can follow this along step by step and you will be able to easily fix any kind of problem that you are facing in your HyperX Cloud 3. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.